Hi guys, alam niyo ba guys na this is my second child's son favorite. Ito guys ang ginataang hipon. He likes this very much, that's why nagpaluto siya sa akin guys. Alam niyo guys, pa nagluluto ako nito, itong kakaunti na to tutusin, this is only half kilo. I'm using 2 coconut milk. Oo, totoo lang guys, para masarap. Ayan guys, this is for my second son. Diba guys, ayan, nakita nyo, nagmamantika, see? Ayan guys. Kanyang ulam yan. Pero kaming aking partner is sinigang na hipon. Ayan guys. I buy 1/4 for us and half kilo for him. Ayan guys, diba, ang sarap. I was the one who prepared this for my son. Kasi favorite niya to Matagal-tagal, almost a month na naman siya hindi nakakakain ito Kasi gusto ko lagi fresh pag bumili ako. That's all for the day, mahal kong ka-reels. Take care kayo lagi. Have a safe day everyone. God bless. This is Mommy A. Mga ka-reels. Bye!